the iPhone 6 Plus, 6S Plus, whichever. The difference is that this back is supposed to be, I don't know if the back is metal, the back part of it is metal, or if it's just made to look like aluminum. We're going to find out when we open it up. But it's made, it at least does look like aluminum. I don't know if it's real aluminum or not. It says dual layer protection with aluminum finish, so I still don't know if that means it is aluminum or it's plastic and it just looks like it. We're going to find out. Back, this is standard Incipio Dual Pro stuff. I've looked at these several times on my channel before with the iPhone 5. I think I did one with the 6 Plus. But now we're going to try this one with the 6S Plus. Let's go ahead and pull it open right here. Pull this whole thing out. Comes out at the top. Front comes off like that. And then we just have the case inside. Pull it out. Nothing else in the box. Get rid of that. So here it is. I think it's plastic. It feels like plastic. Yeah, it's definitely plastic. Okay, so it just looks like aluminum, which is good. I'm happy that it is plastic here, because I've had aluminum cases before, or cases that just had aluminum somewhere on them, and I haven't been able to use them, any of them, for more than a day, because they always kill the cell signal. I've learned that it's a really bad idea to put aluminum somewhere on your phone, because then your cell signals won't go through and nothing will work. So we have this pack right here, or not pack, just a piece of paper. We have this piece of paper right here. We'll get rid of that, nothing important on there. And then we have the Incipio Dual Pro Shine case right here. It's in two different pieces. It's kind of interesting because when you look at it on the front, you can see it's like a shiny black plastic right here. And there's just a line down the middle where it turns into the aluminum finish. This is a Dual Pro, so it's in two. It comes with two pieces: the soft silicone, plastic, whatever, inside piece with the Incipio logo there, and then the hard plastic outer piece where the logo goes through right there. Let's go ahead. Have my iPhone 6S Plus right here. Let's go ahead and stick it in this case. See how it fits. Stick the bottom in first. Stick the side. All the way down the side. It is in there. Let's go ahead and pop this back piece on. We'll do that side first. Pop that in, pop that on right there. And just like that, it is on there. It looks pretty good. You can see where, I think those are fingerprints. Yeah. You can kind of see the fingerprints a little bit on there. But it's not bad. I mean, I kind of like it. It feels nice. You guys know that I love the Incipio Dual Pro cases. This is probably my favorite case ever. I've had a bunch of them for all my different iPhones. I love these cases. I've never had a Shine though before, so this is a new one. But it's basically the same thing as the regular Dual Pro. It just has this aluminum finish look, which is really cool. I like it. You can see that we'll go through all the buttons. So it has a cut. This is what the cutout of the bottom looks like. You can probably get most headphones in there. Anything too big is probably not going to fit. You have to take it off. All of your standard Apple things are going to fit in this one. You got the speaker cutout here. Have the power button on the side. Of course, nothing on the top. Then we have the mute switch and volume rockers on the side. These are pretty easy to press. It doesn't hinder any kind of function. I can get my fingernail in there. It is a little bit thick though, so I mean, if you have big fingers or you don't have a fingernail at all, it might be a little bit difficult to get in there, but I can do that pretty good. And on the back, of course, we have the camera cutout and the Incipio logo. If you're interested in seeing the